Hey y'all, and welcome back to K Cooks. You are now in the kitchen with Keisha Michelle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome, easy, super simple recipe for biscuits and gravy. Y'all, it's so good. You do not want to miss it. Stay tuned. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using the Mary B's biscuits. These are the buttermilk biscuits. Y'all, these are the best frozen biscuits ever. I highly recommend them. And I'm also going to be using some mild Jimmy Dean sausage. And it's the one that comes in the roll. And I'm just grounding it up. No, I am not adding any extra seasonings because this sausage is already salty. So I didn't feel like it needed anything added to it. After you brown your sausage, you're going to add in a little bit of butter and some flour. You're going to combine that, and it's going to kind of create a coating on the sausage that will allow your milk or your heavy whipping cream or your half and half to thicken. Today I am going to be using heavy whipping cream to create my gravy. And once again, guys, I do not have specific measurements, but you kind of just have to eyeball. Whenever you're cooking, you have to eyeball your surrounding circumstances to make sure you add the best amount. So after you've added the cream, the milk, whatever you decide to use, you are going to just mix it all together, give it a nice stir, and you'll see that it will start to get thick. And just an FYI, if your gravy gets too thick, you may not like the way that it tastes, so you can just add in some more milk to kind of thin out the thickness. Okay, so here the gravy is done. But I did want to add in a little more heavy whipping cream just to kind of thin out the consistency just a little bit. But y'all, oh my goodness gracious, okay? Oh my goodness gracious. This stuff is so yummy, okay? Here I'm just adding in some black pepper because what is a southern dish without black pepper? You can't have any, I don't care what it is. You have to add black pepper to it. Whatever the southern dish may be, you need to add black pepper to it because it ain't southern if it ain't got no black pepper. You know what I'm saying? So at this point, you know, you can taste it and see if it needs anything. But honestly, you guys, at this point, I didn't need anything extra in my gravy because it's just so flavorful. I literally didn't put a lick of salt in my heavy whipping cream, you guys, because the sausage literally flavored everything else. And y'all know what I tell y'all. Y'all gotta keep your blood pressure in mind when you're making this food because you can go from 0 to 100 real quick. We ain't trying to be in the ER with heart attack symptoms, okay? We gotta keep in mind high blood pressure. So that is all that I have for this video. Let me know down below if you have tried this recipe